a bit of DIY, don't we? Everyone look at this, look. So this is the front grille to my Fiesta ST150, and I've done a bit of custom. Normally it has the plastic grill here, doesn't it? Do you know what I mean? The honeycomb, and I've gone for some galvanised metal because I wanted to do something different, do you know what I mean? I just thought it was quite novel. So as you can see, the back, it's looking a lot more rougher. You can see where I've put the original lines, where I've gone to cut it all out. You know what I mean? Done it all by hand. Couple of bag ties, can't beat it. You know what I mean? You need zip ties. It's one of them. But yeah, what does everyone think anyway? Obviously, it's a work in progress. You've got all the adhesive here, where the ridge plate used to go, and just generally, I've tried to spray this black. But as you can see, the quality of the paintwork isn't very good at all. So I'm wanting to sand all this down, and I'm going to give it a spray of a bit of primer, good couple of coats of primer, everything, metal, plastic, everything. I've got some plastic and metal spray paint, primer and all that good stuff. Get all this done, all refreshed, sanded down nicely, and even this black as well. Some people have said leave it silver because it pops, do you know what I mean? But I'm wanting it all black. I think that'll look absolutely bob on. And then I'm thinking about potentially having some here, like some maybe plastic bits coming down, I don't know, just to make it pop and stand out. What does everyone think? Do you know what I mean? Let me know. You know what I mean? Bit of DIY, but it's different, you know what I mean? I'm not a metal worker, I'm not a fucking bumper maker, do you know what I mean? It's one of them. I'm out here doing everyone top end though, so it's one of them. But yeah, that's my job for today anyway, constantly, and hopefully when the meat gets down to the bit, we'll do the spoiler extension, so that's going to be bob on. But I'm going to try and keep myself busy with this for the morning. So everyone have a banging day, and I'll see you all top end.